Are you interested in creating videos like this?
Mom, is that really you?
Or you have been looking for an AI tool, a free AI tool that you can use to generate videos like this?
David, remember what I told you.
This video is for you. On this video, I will also break it down in a way that even as a beginner, you will also understand what we are doing here. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. I will go to my screen right now and show you the things that you need to do. My screen now. We are going to be using two app or something like that. So let's go to our chat gpt. So the first thing that we need for this particular tutorial is chat gpt. If you don't have it on your phone, go to your play store. Let's go and check it out. Go to your play store and search for chat gpt. You can see this is the top one, chat gpt, and you can see it over here. If your own is not updated, if you have not installed it, it should show install here. And if your own is not updated, you can see update here. Just have to update it, and once you are done with updating it, we go on with our tutorial. Okay, it's just updating. Let's wait for it a moment to soon be done. You can see the update is almost complete, so it's just 100%. Just let's wait for a moment for it to finish installing, and you are good to go. So almost done. Let's wait for it for a moment. So why this is still installing, let me tell you this particular thing. One of the things that will help you to get these videos is when you are determined to do it. Yes, I will even open a new page just for me to post in this type of video. We start with the simple ones, and then from the simple one, because this is a beginner tutorial. If you are a professional, you can just skip. This is a beginner tutorial. So we are going to be starting with the simple one so that it can be easy and make this video not to be too long. So let's go to ChatGPT, tap on it and open it. So when you come to ChatGPT, you will type in this particular prompt. I want to sorry okay I want to create. If you are creating a dialogue video or a narrator video, it's just the same thing, just that you are going to be changing the different, but we are going to be creating a dialogue video. So I want to create a dialogue dialogue video, dialogue AI video. So we be like, give me 5 ideas. So send it. So you can see the first one says, my mom, why did you leave me? A boy confronts his mother after she suddenly disappeared from his life. And a whole lot, you can see the number 2, number 3, and a lot of them. So we are going to be picking number 1. I think number 1 is okay. Or yeah, let's use the number 1. I know it's not that much, but you can choose anyone that you like, anyone that you feel is okay for you. Then just tap on it and copy it. Tap on it and copy it. And then you come here and say, I choose number 1, and then you go down and paste it. Once you have pasted it, go down again and say, so give me the prompt. Okay, sorry, give me the script and the character prompts and the character prompt for each scene and each character. You can use it anyhow you like. So then you send it. So let's wait for it to load the message. So you can see that the thing has been generated for us. You can see great choice. This can work very well as a 2 to 3 minutes depending on the minutes, but if you're generating for like 10 minutes, you just have to put it under the character. Make and you say like you be like, so give me the script for 2 minutes. Yeah, give the script and the character prompt for each character and each prompt for 2 minutes or 10 minutes. But I'm just doing for like 2 to 3 minutes for now. So you can see the title, Mom, Why Do You Leave Me? So you can see character consistency, mother, grace, and a whole lot of them. So scene one, consistent character. Let's look for this character prompt. Oh my god, it seems like the character prompt seems a bit changed, but you can still use it that way. The character prompt is somehow okay. We can go with it. So let's generate the first the character prompt for. We are using two. We have two characters in this particular dialogue. You can then copy this mother, which is Grace, copy it and reach to the end. Sorry, we have to copy it again. Copy it and tap on copy, then go to images, then paste it here and then wait for it to generate. So it is creating. While it is creating, what will help you to get consistent character and consistent voice depend on what you are creating is when you want to generate a long video. Let's say if you want to generate videos of like 10 minutes, you know that at times the character voice might change or the face might change. So this depends on the particular AI that you are using. So I think the image has been generated for us. Let's check it out. Open it. Okay, you can see the image has been generated. Then tap on this icon and download it. So once you have downloaded, save the image, you have to send to your phone, then generate the second image, which is the second character, which is the first one. The second person, and the second person, sorry, let's go to the character consistency. You can see son, which is Daniel. So your own might not generate this way, depending on how you generated. At times you generate more, not like this. You generate like this one image prompt. So go back to that your image and paste the prompt again to generate for the boy image. So while it is creating, let's go back. So I don't want this video to be too long so that you can be able to watch it. So don't skip any part. Try and learn what you want to learn. So let's go to scene one. So you can see scene one. Visuals. Daniel is sitting alone in the modest living room, the flu, and this is what you need for this particular, and it's going to make it very easy for you. You're not going to stress yourself. So you can see the dialogue. Mom, Grace freezes. Daniel, is that really you? Then Grace. And so first of all, let's generate the image. Let's copy the image prompt so that we can generate the image for scene one. Copy it. And then go back to the image that you generated. Download this voice image to your phone. Tap on this download and download it to your phone. Then tap on this plus button here and go to your gallery. Copy these two images, like mark the two, add the both of them here, and then paste that character prompt for scene one, depending on the particular scene you're generating. So scene one. So wait, this particular video I'm generating it for 9:16, which is like a TikTok or YouTube Reels video. So if you're generating a long video like 10 minutes and you are posting it on YouTube long form video, so I'm going to be using 16:9 ratio, 16:9 aspect ratio. For this particular one, I'm thinking of posting it on TikTok or YouTube Reel. So let's send it. So while this is still ongoing, it's generating right now. So let's go back to scene 2 and generate the image. While it is generating, then I will show you what you need to do, and from there you can do the rest of them that are remaining. So this is scene 2. Let's copy the image prompt while the other one is still generating. Copy it. So if you want to change the aspect ratio, you can just see this 16:9 here and just change it to 9:16. You can see they are generated for the scene 1. Then download it to your phone. Tap on this button and download it to your phone. Then let's do for the art of scene 2. I'm just going to be doing the 2. Then mark these 2 images depending on how many characters that are shown in the image prompt. So you can see this particular one: photorealistic, cinematic, Nollywood, emotional. You can see the mother Grace is there and the 10-year-old son is there. But if it's only one person, the mother, then you will not have to add these 2 images. We will only add 1 image. So let's send it for it to generate. While it is generating, since the scene 1 image has been generated, let's go to the software. The software we have been waiting for to generate this your videos. So go to your Chrome browser. Tap on the search bar and search for Google Flow. Or for it to be easy for you, just search for Whisk AI. You can see this Whisk AI. Just search for Whisk AI for it to be more easier for you. So you can see the 2, but choose this one which has Google Labs. This one, as you can see, Google Labs. Tap on it. So you can choose any account that you want to use, and if I'm to tell you, I do use more than one account. You can switch different accounts because you have 50 daily points to generate these videos. You have 50 daily points, and for one video, for you to get the best quality, for one video you have to use 15 points. So meaning that like 3 videos that you can generate for one account. So you can create different account. If you have different many Google accounts, then you can just switch whenever the other one finishes. So we're going to be switching to one which is available now. I'm going to blur some parts here for security reasons and for YouTube restriction. When you get to this page, just tap on new project and you will see yourself here. So what we are going to do now is just to tap on this plus button icon here and tap on upload media. So you are going to upload the first this in one image. Tap on add. It's in one image. So it didn't add. Let's try it again. It's just because of network issue. So add it again. Yeah, it has added. So wait for it to load. It won't take time for it to load, just a moment, and then you just go and copy your scene 1 dialogue. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT and generate and get the scene 1 dialogue. Okay, you can copy from here. As you can see, visuals, and copy it and stop at. Since this video is somehow short, if it's the one that has long dialogue, so you are going to be creating it little by little, just like copying like these few words and then paste it, generate that one, then you're going to generate the next one little by little, because when you add too much words to it, the images will be talking too fast, making your video not good enough for people to watch. So you just tap on copy. When you have copied it, go back to your Chrome. Your video must have been added by now. So tap on this plus button and tap on the image that was added, and then paste your visuals, paste your dialogue, and then send it. Wait for it a moment to load. So while this is still loading, I will advise you, whenever that you want to generate this and you feel like you need to finish that video particularly, all you need to do is to have different accounts. So we are going to be switching from one account to the other, so as for you to be able to generate the image. If not, if you have like one account, you're not going to be generating the image because you will be out of point. So you can see I'm out of point already because I generated some video today, so I'm out of point already. I'm only going to be generating this particular one, that is scene one. Then you can do the rest. This is very easy. If you have any question, you can see ask in the comment section. So I will still show you the last part of this particular video, this particular one that is generated. I want to show you before this video ends, so you can see how many points that I have left. You can see 5 Google phrase, not up to 15 points. But if you are new, tap on this video. You can choose, because once you create and log in with a different account, a new account, it's going to be in image, on this image. So you have to switch it to video, and when you switch it to video, choose this first one, which is Omni Flash. Some might use Veo 3. So Veo 3 uses little points, not up to 15 points, but Omni Flash is one of the newest, and this particular one will help you generate quality videos. So you can choose between 4 seconds, 6 seconds, and 8 seconds. So the 8 seconds you can use 12 credits to generate it. 4 seconds you can use 7 credits, but me, I usually use 10 seconds because at times I will want the video to be a bit longer. So let's review the video and see what generated.
Mom,
Tap on the video.
is that really you?
Daniel.
Where have you been?
Okay, hope you can hear what it says. You can see the video. This video is wonderful. Like, you can create it from like this and create like 10 minutes to 30 minutes videos. If you want to create series drama, either of them, you can still create it using this particular method. So if you have any question, you can see us in the comment section and I'm ready to reply to you. So you can still contact me if you have any issue with it. Just a DM and I will respond to you. So I think I'm going to be stopping here because my credit has finished for today. I can't generate any more video. I've used some of my account to generate more video today, so it's going to be later if I'm going to be creating another one, or I will tell you another AI free tool that I do use also, that you can use to create your videos. So if you use, because not everybody have money to subscribe to Grok. Yeah, Grok is not something that everybody will like to pay for. At times you pay for it, maybe if you don't have the better audience, you don't have a better audience that will watch your video, that means you are not going to be making the money that you put in it. So you can be looking for free tools while creating it, and where you gather some money, you can subscribe for growth. But this is one of the best free tools that you can use to generate your AI videos. So if you find any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, so that the next video that will be coming, you will be able to get the updates.